USB HDMI Capture Card is one of the famous devices among the tech-savvy person. It will help you to capture the games and as well as videos from a HDMI output. In this video I am going to give you a teardown of this device, how this device is made of, what kind of electronics is used inside this small cheap USB capture card. The body cover of this device is made of metal, black color metal. There is 4 screws there. You have to use Phillips screwdriver to unscrew it. So one sided on the HDMI side there is 2 screw, and in the USB side there is 2 screw. Total 4 screws is there. So you have to push from the USB area, and then the total capture card with the PCB will come out. Here you can see how it looks like, this green color capture card. PCB is there, one microchip is there, one EPROM is there, and 3.3 volt voltage controller, and as well as 1.2 or 1.8 volt voltage controller is there. One side is HDMI, another side is USB 2.0. So here you can see in the picture the EPROM is 16 KB EPROM is there. So the series name or model name is 24C16. So here you can see it is a 16 KB EPROM. Another thing is that there is MS2109, that means Macrosilicon company 2109 capture card main chipset is this. So here it will convert your picture with audio and video like this. So all the work is being done this MS2109. So I have shared the diagram for MS2106 because I have not found a 2109. So it is just upgrade, but everything is same. So it gives mono audio and it has the capture ability up to 1080p full HD 30 fps. So that's all in this video. Here you can see how it looks like again. So I can say, and the price range around $10, it is quite value for money, and you can done your work web series capturing or any kind of game capturing for live stream. You can definitely do it without any problem. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and be safe.